In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email signature in Yahoo Mail. An email signature is the short block of text, links, or a logo that automatically appears at the bottom of your messages. It's a simple way to share key details and keep your emails looking professional, and setting it up only takes a minute. Start by signing into your Yahoo Mail account in your web browser. When your inbox loads, look to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. In the panel that appears, select More Settings to open the full settings page. On the left side, choose Writing Email. That's where the signature option lives. You'll see a signature section for your address. Flip the switch next to your email so it turns blue. That turns the feature on. A text box will appear below. Type or paste the signature you want to use, then format it as needed. Keep it clear and compact, for example, your name, role, company, and a website. Use the formatting tools to add line breaks, adjust style, and create hyperlinks. To link text, highlight it and use the link button, then paste the URL. If you'd like to include a small image, such as a logo, use the image option and make sure the file isn't too large so your emails load quickly. Aim for a simple layout that stays readable on mobile devices. A quick privacy tip: avoid including sensitive information. Skip personal phone numbers, home addresses, or anything you wouldn't want forwarded widely. Consistency matters more than volume, so less is often more. Yahoo saves these changes automatically, so you don't need to look for a save button. To confirm everything is working, go back to your inbox and compose a new message. Your signature should appear at the bottom of the email body. If it doesn't, return to Writing Email and make sure the toggle is on for the correct address. If you use multiple addresses in Yahoo Mail, each one has its own signature switch, so set the one you plan to send from. You can update or refine your signature anytime by returning to this same screen. And if you ever need to send a one-off message without the signature, you can simply delete it from that individual draft without changing your settings. That's all you need to add a polished email signature in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.